This is Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. And this is your truth for the week. The key to connecting power in prayer. Wow. Let's dive in because we want powerful prayers. We want effective prayers. We want to sense that our prayers are going to be answered. The first thing, we need to know the promises. If you don't know what the word says, you can ask anything and you can be asking amiss. You can ask not according to what the word says, and God's only going to back up his word, but you'll be standing on the wrong type of promises. You need to know what you're standing on. That means you need to read the word. That you've got to get into the word. You've got to at least read it to know where it is and what's there. All right. But secondly, you're going to need to also apply the word. And in order to apply it, you're going to have to study it. That means you need to observe what's there when you're reading. You need to interpret it and interpret it appropriately. And then you can apply it. And finally, you need to do what it says. That is your true application. Know what the application should be in different situations and circumstances, but know specifically what you need to do within it. So transformation only comes head first. That means you've got to get it in your head first before you're going to transform. That means you need to know it. Romans 12:1-2 then reminds us to be not conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of our mind. So the second thing we're going to need to do is to throw out the stinking thinking. That's right. The battlefield of the mind is always a battlefield. We need to throw out the stinking thinking and we need to replace it with the truth. Well, you've been studying, you've been reading the word, you've been trying to apply it. You're throwing out the stinking thinking and you are then replacing it with that belt of truth. Thirdly, you're going to pray truth. Now that you know it, now that you have cast out all the imaginations and every high thing that exalted itself against the knowledge of God, and you truly have the truth, you're going to pray the truth. You're going to say what God says about your situation, about the future of your situation. You're going to see it, and then you're going to say it. So then, fourthly, you're going to confess that word. You're going to speak that truth, that word concerning your future, that word concerning you and what God says about you. So if you want the keys to connecting power to prayer, know it, throw out all the stinking thinking and replace it with truth, pray that same truth, and then confess or speak that truth over your life, over yourself, over your situations, because God's going to back up his word. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously, pouring you out truth on this particular day. Have a fantastic rest of your day.
Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as a confidence in the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double D's, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be. You can find us online at htruth.org. At Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's word, standing on his promises, walking out his principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.